mess, don't you? Yeah. You gonna help me clean it all? Yeah, you gonna help me clean all your mess? Yeah. Doing it good? Yeah. You're cleaning all your bowls. Okay? Yeah. Cleaning all your stuff. Okay? Messy mess. So these little bowls here are really cute and they clip on to anything. So they're really handy. Yeah, we're cleaning, aren't we? Yeah. Where are you going, Echo? What are you doing? You helping Mum clean. Alright, step up. Alright. So that's cleaning with us. Thanks, guys. You're flirting with Echo. Yeah? You're flirting with Echo. My cheeky boy. So most of you would know, owning a bird, if you guys own birds, you would know they get stuff everywhere and they love to poop. You know, that's not really helping, buddy. Yeah, you're making it harder for me to sweep. Yes, you are. Huh? So your poo? Yeah, your poop everywhere. Okay. So I usually put the paper down, make it a bit easier on me, less washing. And I let them poop on that, and then I sweep and clean everything every day. And every second day, I will vacuum, clean everything, pick all the towels up, clean all the walls. Yeah, it's a full-time job, as you would know if you had birds. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I'm getting too old for this down on the ground. My body is broken. So that's all done. All clean, buddy. Yeah? You happy? All clean? Yeah, say thanks, Mum. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah. Say bye.